backward. Charlotte. I'm scared of the stairs. I don't know if you have stairs in your house. Charlotte.
There's only 5 here. That's all you got. You want to do 5 of these, 3 of these, or just 5 of 2?
Yeah, give me 3 of the black ones. Alright, so let's just work them around. Charlotte.
Can I go to the Foundation Society to see?
Oh my god, please get that dog in here as soon as possible.
Can I go to the society?
Yeah, sometimes, James, they have a free thing up there where they spay pit bulls for free. You need to call them and ask them about that deal.
Where's that place at?
That's not bad. They want to spay. It's up on 11th Street, but they have a Facebook. You should just go on there and send them a message. Ask them what you need to do.
Is your bag open?
Yeah, let's put it in the bag though, except for the only problem is we gotta get this dog back in there. Can you just stack it on the side for now where there's no dog? I mean, where there is a dog?
Wait, what?
There's an empty cage back there. If you stack it up in front of it, we won't be able to get the dog in.
So put it on the side where there's no cage.
Well, there's a dog already in the cage.
You're confusing the heck out of me.
Alright, hang on. I'll be right there. Just open up the back. There's a dog in the cage. Stack it in front of the dog. Heel. Shut up. Do it my pager. Good. Heel. This is actually the 280 girl. I think we need to get one of these. Heel. Good. Down. Good boy. Oh, we've got to get some pictures of Charlotte in here too. Wait, so I'm going to do my page. Charlotte. Start my picture. Just cease distracted. Heel. Zoom around. Zoom around. Down.
There's not a whole lot of room to stack.
Oh, okay. We'll be right there. All right, girl. I gotta go. I'll do it soon.